Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa. Today I'm going to be going over the two important concepts of validity and reliability. These are our two most important concepts. No matter what area of our field that you go into, you're going to be dealing with both of these. And that's because you're dealing with human performance. So you're going to make decisions on a daily basis. Decisions are based on data that you collect, and you're gonna have to make sure you get good data. So beginning with reliability is referring to consistency, repeatability of test results under the same conditions. So in our example that we learned in our videos and in our chapter, we had the example of the 3 darts. So there's 3 of them, and so they had the first exam, there's a bunch of the darts on the bottom left, or the second exam, they're on the top right, or on the third one, they're all scattered, and you're trying to figure out if the test is reliable or not, which ones are. So you would see that the first 2 are reliable because, let's say they're not even on target, but they are still hitting the same spot multiple times, versus the third example where it's all scattered. So it's proving an unreliable exam. And you can see this also if I bring up the example in real life. If you're testing whether or not it's easier to make a goal in soccer when you're closer to the goal net or when you're farther and doing a running to the ball, if you're trying to prove that running gives you a better chance of scoring the ball, then you would have to repeat that test multiple times and get the same results multiple times, and it's consistent under the same conditions. That's how you'd be able to prove repeatability. Now, once you've established that, then you can check if the exam and its results are valid or it's showing validity. So with validity, it's focusing on the truthfulness of the results. And it's making sure that your results are proving what you intended to measure. So it's not going off target. So in the example of the darts, to be reliable and valid, they would be a group of them all in the target. They would hit the target, all of them. That's reliable and it's valid. And so that's basically how they work together. You cannot have validity without reliability. And so that's also why it's so important. You're going to have it any field of life when you work in. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.